Hey everybody, Jorge with Dent Motion. Today we're working out, doing some mobile repair today, and we're working our private collection for this gentleman. He has some kind of a Chevy. I want to say it's a '57 Chevy. I forgot the name that he called it, but let me show you his collection. It's pretty amazing. It's inside of a barn. So that's one of his trucks that it's outside of his property, and then you name it, it's here. This is a convertible. This is a Fairlane Chevy coupe. It's a wagon. This is a Belair. I believe that's another Belair wagon, convertible. Beautiful Chevy. This, I'm not sure what this is. This sure is my favorite though. Nice wheels, coupe, super nice. This is convertible. Another convertible. Things like brand new. Here's a DeSoto. Beautiful DeSoto. This Gran Torino is absolutely out of this world. Beautiful car. Here's another Ford Gran Torino. Not sure the years. Please don't ask. This is race car. Chevy. This is the one we're working on. Here's a wagon, another wagon, and here's the one that we're working on. Damage is right there on that lip. We're gonna access it through the hole right there, but just absolutely brand new in the box. All these vehicles, these are all Belairs. This is a Nomad, actually. This is a Chevy Belair Nomad. Absolutely beautiful. I gotta get with this repair going. I'll show you the afters. So I wanted to show you what my setup is. Plenty of heat. There's my light. Here's my tool. And if you can see the dent. I'm right on it, luckily. So I better get off this phone, and that way I can fix the damage. Okay, everybody. Here's the final product of the Chevy Nomad. This is a Belair Chevy Nomad Paintless Dent Repair. The damage was right there, and it was a crease. It kind of went this way. There's a little bit of marking on the paint, but all of these surface scratches will come off. Which actually it seems like it has them all over the place, but they will come off with a nice little buff, which the customer said that they would take care of it. But it came out beautiful, and we were able to use the axis here once again. Using the paintless dent repair method, there's no way the customer is going to take this car back and have it repainted. This is just a beauty. I mean, everything about it, the interior, everything about it is just gorgeous. Remember, paintless dent repair is the way to repair your car, or all your classic cars. Amazing. So if you're in need of any paintless dent repair, door dings, hail, creases, give me a call at 720-552-0808. Also check out my website at dentmotion.com. Take a look at some of the pictures. I will put some of these videos on there too. Just amazing. I could hang out here all day. Anyways, thanks for watching. Take care.